So I think I fixed it. I changed the channel to 6, the download channel probably, and the other channel, channel 2. So it uses different frequencies and the signal is probably stronger, I think. Let's test it again, just to make sure it worked. Test. Hey, I said test. Okay. Yes, the download is around 40. Maybe I have to change it to another channel, a better channel. And the upload is whoa. Focus, it's 60. A minute ago it went up to 70, but it's a lot better now. So that's it. I have to play around some more with the channels to see what's optimal for this area where are a lot of Wi-Fi networks that may interfere. So that's it. 46, 65.